If you're anything like me, you are always adding new people onto your website, whether you want someone to do your blogs or you want someone to make some edits to a specific part of the site. You always want to try and get different people onto the site to do different things. And I found that not a lot of people actually realize how to add an admin properly onto a Squarespace site. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it really quickly. So on your site here, all you have to do is head into settings, and then you want to go down to permissions and ownership. Now, if you click on this here, permissions and ownership again, I don't know why they added that second click in, you can click on invite contributor. So we click on this and Squarespace is going to ask you to verify. So we click on continue with Google in this case, and then I'm going to find the email that I need to verify, click on that, and it's going to authenticate me. Once I'm authenticated, I can then add my contributor. So let's say I want to add me and my email on. I'm going to blur that personal email so I don't get any fan mail. And then I'm going to toggle administrator. Obviously, if you don't want to add someone as an admin, you can go more granular with the website permissions all the way down here. So you can toggle which specifics you want. If you toggle administrator, that's just going to give them blanket permissions across the site. So once you're happy, you click invite, and then you can see a log of invites sent. Once they accept, you're going to see under contributors that they're in and what permission status they have. In this case, it's going to be administrator. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.